Hey everyone, welcome back to QLoud Host. In today's video, we're going to break down something that not everyone talks about openly but is super important if you're planning to run an adult website, and that is what exactly is an adult dedicated server and why would anyone need one? If you're planning to launch or already running an adult content site, whether it's videos, images, live streaming, or even dating, you definitely need to understand this topic clearly. So stick around because we'll also explain why adult hosting is completely different from regular hosting. And finally, we'll guide you toward the best provider for this with real reasons. By the way, this is QLoud Host, your go-to channel for everything related to offshore hosting, DMCA, ignored hosting, adult site hosting, streaming servers, and more tech stuff that no one explains simply. So if you're serious about your online projects and want clear answers without boring lectures, you're in the right place. Okay, let's clear something up first, because not everyone knows this. Why is adult web hosting even treated separately from normal hosting? Great question. And here's the deal. 1. Legal restrictions. Most regular hosting companies strictly prohibit adult content because of local laws, policies, or payment gateway rules. Hosting adult content on a normal server can get your site suspended without warning. 2. High bandwidth usage. Adult websites, especially with HD videos or live cam features, consume a lot of bandwidth and disk I/O. Regular shared or VPS servers can't handle that kind of traffic or resource load smoothly. 3. DMCA and content takedowns. Adult sites are often at risk of receiving DMCA complaints, especially if the content is sensitive or controversial. Regular hosting companies respond quickly to such reports and may take your site offline. But offshore or DMCA ignored adult hosting doesn't take it down unless it's illegal in that server's jurisdiction. 4. Content sensitivity. Adult content comes with moral, legal, and cultural sensitivities. Hosting providers want to stay away from controversy, so they don't offer support or infrastructure for adult projects. 5. Payment processors and compliance. Running an adult site also means dealing with payment gateways that allow NSFW content, and many of them require your hosting provider to be compliant with specific rules. Not all providers are ready for this. So, to sum up, adult hosting is separate because it's heavier, riskier, and more sensitive. That's why you need dedicated infrastructure that is designed specifically for adult content sites. Now, let's talk about the main part. What exactly is an adult dedicated server? Well, think of it as your own private house on the internet. No roommates, no sharing. It's a physical server rented to you exclusively, located in a data center that allows adult content. It's fully customizable, comes with dedicated CPU, RAM, storage, bandwidth, and you're not sharing it with anyone. Most importantly, it gives you full control, privacy, and power to run heavy adult sites without interruption. So, who really needs this? If you're launching a tube site with thousands of video uploads, or a cam site with live streaming models, or even a premium membership site with protected content, you can't risk downtime, lag, or sudden takedowns. That's where adult dedicated servers come in. They're made for handling heavy adult content, high traffic, and legal protection based on offshore jurisdictions. Also, you can install adult-friendly CMS scripts like Adent, IO, kernel video sharing, adult script or your own custom platform without any issue. Now, if you're planning to get started and wondering which provider should I trust, let me make it super simple for you. CloudHost offers 100% DMCA, ignored adult dedicated servers, hosted offshore, where adult content is fully allowed and supported. Here's why CloudHost is the perfect choice. Servers in adult-friendly countries, fully dedicated resources, no sharing high bandwidth and SSD storage, 24/7 friendly support, no content restrictions, fully customizable setup, affordable pricing, whether you're a beginner launching your first adult site or an experienced creator scaling up. QLoudHost has flexible solutions that fit your exact needs. And yes, we've helped hundreds of adult creators run their sites without censorship or takedowns. The link to get your own adult dedicated server is right in the description. Go check it out. I hope this video helped clear your doubts about adult hosting and why dedicated servers are a must-have if you're in the adult content industry. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might need this info. Subscribe to Q Loud Host for more straight to the point hosting guides. And hey, if you have any questions or confusion, just drop a comment below. We reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.